Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. In my last tutorials, I have explained how to draw this knuckle joint top view. So in this tutorials, I am going to show you how to draw this section plan for this knuckle joint. As you can see, this I have drawn here, so I will show you guys how to draw this. So before start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and please like and share my video. So let us start now. So we will draw with projection line for this section view for this knuckle joint. This is top view. So for the projection line, you can go to this draw tool command bar and you can take the line from here. There are different line types is given here. You can see here this construction line and ray line, so you can draw the projection with construction line or ray line. Okay, so actually I am going to use a construction line, so you can take this command from here from draw toolbar as well. You can take, simply click like this, and you can see here in this command bar it's showing the specify a point or horizontal, vertical, bisect or offset. So I'm going to specify the first point like this, and if you want vertical, so you can click in horizontal direction, or if you want the vertical you can click here below, and if you want horizontal you can click this side, both right and left. Okay, otherwise you have to take the shortcut command for this construction line is XL. Type XL from your keyboard and press enter, and then you have to enter here H for horizontal, V for vertical, A for angular, and V for bisect, and O for offset. Okay, so I need the horizontal vertical line, so I am going to type V, enter. So you can see this is the vertical construction line. I got it, so I am going to project here for this projection at each point. Okay, so simply click at each point. Okay, like this you have to click each and every point. Okay. Now we have to change the color and we have to draw it here. So I'm going to go to this properties panel, and you have to change the color from here. So I'm going to take the green color right now. Okay, and then again I'm going to take the construction line and horizontal this time. So type XL, it's for horizontal, and you have to click it here. Okay, now you can see here the distance for this vertical is given here 16 mm. So I'm going to offset this at a distance of 16 mm. So type O for offset, and you have to enter the distance, offset distance, so that is 16 mm. Simply click this line and click outside. Okay, outside. Now what you will do, you have to offset a distance of 40 mm this line from base to top. Okay, so it's given here 40 mm. So I'm going to offset again. So type again offset, O enter, or you have to simple repeat the command. So press the enter button or a space bar. So now I am going to provide offset at a distance of 40 mm. So enter the offset value and click this line, and you have to click upside. Okay, now what you'll do, simple trim this all these extra line first, just to avoid the confusion. So tr double enter. Tr is nothing but the trim command. Okay, or you can use the shortcut keys, and for trim command you can use you can trim here from you can get the trim command from this modify panel as well. You can see this is the modify panel. Okay, and in this you can get the trim command here. Okay, this is the trim command, so you can take it from here as well. Otherwise you have to enter the shortcut keys tr or double enter. Trim all is nothing but the double enter is nothing but the trim all. Okay, so most of the time I am using shortcut keys Okay, so just to make the drawing faster, you have to always practice to use the shortcut keys. So I'll show you how to use this command, trim command from this modify panel. So let us take this trim command. Okay, and you have to see here the trim cut crossing mode. So select object. Okay, you can select object like this. Simply you can trim like this. Okay, repeat the command. You can trim this line as well and select this line. Okay, select all the lines and delete this. Okay, now what you will do, you have to trim this line as well, this line also. So I am going to show you how to trim these three lines also. So you can see from center 1 2 3. Okay, so from this is the center line. So simple draw the center line, project the center line again. So this is the center line. Okay, and you have to show the center line for this as well. So what I am going to do, I am going to, let me erase this, and I am going to draw this center line with the line command only. So simple draw like this. Okay, and you have to draw this center line as well. So simple, you have to project, drag this line, simple drag this line, repeat the command. So enter the press button and simple drag these lines and draw like this. Okay, now you can change this line type as well. Like this, you have to select this line. Okay, go to property, you can change the line type from here center, and you have to change the color as well, make it color white. Okay, if you want to make if you want to decrease the size for this line, you have to select this, right click, go to this property. Okay, and you can see here line type scale, you have to make it 1 and press enter. Okay, so you can see here this scale, line type scale for this line has been changed. Okay, I'm going to move a little bit up. Okay, now you have to use match command just to match this line with this line. So type ma is the shortcut keys for match command, and now you have to see here in the command bar is showing a source object. So select the source object and select the destination object. Okay, so it's going to be matched. Now what you will do, you have to trim this line. So I'm going to trim this tr double enter. So trim this line, okay, up to here like this, and this side also you have to trim like this. Okay, select this line and erase it. And move this, select this and move it up. Okay, you have to change the color for this because this is in the center, it will not visible, so you have to show with the hidden line. Okay, so select this and change the color first. Okay, so I'm going to change the color blue. Okay, and you have to change the line type as well. So select this and go to this property and change the, make it center. Okay, and you have to select and change the scale as well. So go to property, select, go to property, make it 1. Okay, so you can see this line type scale has been changed. Now you have to match this. So use match property and simple match these lines. And this is also showing this, you have to match this because this is also inside. Okay, now what you will do, simple trim this inside line, this is not required because this is showing up. Okay, and you have to, should also trim this line also. Okay, so this up to this point this is over. Okay, and now I am going to make here fillet for each corner. So you have to use the fillet command. So first of all you have to match this line, so use match properties. So type MA, select this, and you have to, otherwise you can erase as well, and you can draw the line, simple line. So I'm going to erase it. Okay, and I'm going to draw the line from, take the line command from this point to this point, repeat the command. Okay, press the enter button just to repeat the command. Okay, so you have to draw like this. Okay, now I'm going to use the fillet command just to make a sharp corner for this. If you can see, this is using, this corner is looks like sharp, and it has been drawn by using this fillet command. So I'm going to use F. Shortcut keys for fillet command is F. So F, enter, and you have to provide here, you can see this is the select the first fillet point, and or you have to select anyone here, the radius, undo, polyline, multiple trim. So I'm going to select R. R is nothing but the radius, and you have to enter the radius value. So I'm going to enter 5, enter, and you have to select the first point and second point. Okay, again to repeat the command, enter the press button. So select the first point and second point. Like this you can use the trim command. Repeat the command again, repeat. So first point, second point. So it's over. Okay, so this is how we are drawing the section view for this knuckle joint, and I just show the dimensions. So I'm going to select, going to show the dimensions. So for the vertical linear dimension, type DLI. DLI is nothing but the linear dimension. Sorry. Select this point and this point, you have to draw like this, and you have to use match property, type MA just to match this dimension with this dimension. Okay, and you have to show this dimension as well. So type DLI, dimension linear, and you can select, you can use this dimension like this also. Type DLI. If you select enter one time, so you have to select these 2 points. If you press the enter 2 times, so no need to select 2 points. You simply select this line and drag it. So I am going to select this line and drag like this. Okay, now use match property again. So type MA, select this line and this line. So this is how we are going to use, how we are going to draw, how we draw this section view for this knuckle joint. So I think you guys learned something from this video. If you have any doubt, comments, you have to put in the description box. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.